Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Hello and welcome back to Paulie's Food Channel. Paulie here, and I'm going to show you a recipe making a cherry lime vinaigrette. Right now it is stone fruit season and we're using cherries, and cherries I consider to be the royalty of all stone fruit. I love my peaches, nectarines, plums, pluots, apricots, but cherries in my opinion are the royalty of all stone fruit. So let's use these today and I'll show you a great recipe. Alright, so we're going to pit cherries here. First you remove the stem, like so. Just pulls right out. But then you can buy a cherry pitter, but that's a waste of money. All you need is a knife, and you go down the middle and around. Just rotate the cherry around, like so. And then you can just twist it off, and you get a half there. Just do it again. All the way around in a circle, twist, and you got a half without a seed there. Here's a seed with a half. I eat that. So good. But yeah, like so. Twist, seed in that one, or pit in that one, and you got a nice half of a cherry there. Add it to my pile. There you go, easy. Alright, let's get started with our dressing, or our vinaigrette. We'll go in with our cherry halves first of all into our food processor, like so. Then we want to go in with our lime. So I've got my fresh lime here, and we're going to go ahead and put it in our squeezer. And we'll go ahead and squeeze it in there. And I'm going to put in a whole lime. So one half and then a second. Here's the next one. All right. We've got our lime juice added to our beautiful cherries there. We're going to go in with a pinch of kosher salt, like so. Some cracked black pepper. And then we've got some other spice I'm going to add here. I've got some onion powder or onion granule that I'm going to add to it. Like so. A little bit of garlic. I'll have the amounts in the description box below. I'm going to also add some chili powder, but that can be an optional item for you if you don't like heat. But I like heat in mine, so I add a little bit of chili powder. And then we're also going to go in with some agave nectar, light agave nectar, to add a little hint more of sweetness to it. Like so. And then we've got some balsamic vinegar. I'm going to go in with a touch of that, not too much, but just a little, like so. And last but not least, we've got our extra virgin olive oil. So a good couple tablespoons or so of that. And then we can get this all pulsed up in our food processor here. Okay, here's our amazing looking dressing, gorgeous looking color. So it's got the tartness and sweetness of the cherry. It's got that added sweetness of agave. It's got that citrus lime added to it. Man, that's good. And a little bit of spicy heat. I used cayenne, but you can use whatever chili powder or no chili powder at all if you don't like it. But it's got a great balance of flavor there. So I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to put this together with our cherries and get ready for garnishing our salad. Take my dressing and pour it out into a nice bowl like so. And then we add some of our cherry halves in there. We'll be ready for our salad. Alright, we have our beautiful salad here. It's time to go in with our cherry lime vinaigrette. So we want to get obviously some cherries in there before we get the rest of our dressing. Look at those beautiful colors. And now for some dressing there. Man, this is gonna be good. I hope you really enjoy this. I appreciate you watching Paulie's Food Channel. And I hope to see you here next time for our next recipe. But I hope you enjoy this summer salad with this gorgeous royalty of stone fruit, which is the cherries. So thank you for watching again. We'll see you next time.